Hey guys, this is a Canon PIXMA MG2120 printer. In today's video, I want to show you how to remove parts off of this model. Reason for that, sometimes you may want to access your printer. As you can see, there's very limited access to inside of it from the front and also from the back. We have a very small access area. It's just enough to remove some of the jams that you may have here or clean the rollers, for example. That's why you may want to know how to get inside of the printer by removing the top cover. I'll show you how to do that, but I'll be removing parts as I go. And as soon as we open the top cover, we're going to remove some more parts and see what the inside of the printer looks like. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. To get this job done, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. At the back of the printer, we need to remove the 4 screws to remove the side panels. Now let's go to the front of the printer. We need to remove this panel. You can just go ahead and open the top cover and just pull this cover up. It's clipped in, so we can just go ahead and unclip it and pull it up like that. Let's remove a couple of screws. One in here, another one right there. Put the printer on its side, and over here you will see there's 2 arrows. You can just go ahead and pull it up like this here and unclamp it at the bottom. That will let us remove the panel on the left side of the printer. So we have the bottom already removed, and then we can just unclamp it like that. On this side, we can access the main board and some gears. Let's go ahead and remove the 3rd screw for the panel. Now the control panel is all released. So we remove the screw right here, and over here. You can disconnect it from the main board over in this area. Now let's go ahead and remove the 2 screws over here. Removing the 2 screws over here will let us remove the top glass in order to access the scanner unit. If that's something you want to do, go ahead and lift this tab and push the glass towards the left of the printer. There we go. That's how we access the scanner module right here. We're going to skip that for now because we want to lift the whole scanner unit with the glass and the scanner module. I'm going to slide this back. Let's go ahead and remove the 2 covers right here by opening the front door. It's right behind the door. Same thing, we're going to flip it on its side. You'll find arrows or dash marks, kind of like here. There we go. There's the second one. Make sure cover is open, front door is open, and then that lets us lift the panel on the right. And that's what it looks like right here. There we go. You will find a screw right here on this right side and one on the left. Let's go ahead and remove those. Another screw right behind the board, kind of in this area right here in the back of the printer. It's under the panel, under the control panel that was here. Now we're basically ready to lift the top cover up. We need to disconnect the scanner wire right here. Oops. So this one is disconnected, and we have removed 3 screws. And there's also a clip in the back that holds the top cover instead of the screws. So we're going to push that back lift it up. The scanner wire right here. You need to disconnect and remove these, like unloop these wires. So we release all the wires from the top cover. And we can safely lift the top cover now. Oops. And that's the inside of our printer. This is the power supply. Power supply unit really doesn't need any screws removed to be replaced. It's located at the bottom of the printer. You just need to push back this clip right here, and also one on the bottom. So just make sure you pull both of them back, and that'll pull out, release your power supply. You can disconnect it right here. And if you're looking for a replacement, you should have all the part numbers on here. Like this one is K30330. Here's our timing film strip. To remove that, we simply just remove it from the hook over here, push it to the right, and release it here. Make sure when you're installing a new one, make sure you feed it in the proper area where the sensors read it in the back of the carrier unit. Our cartridges are still in here. There goes. Let's go ahead and remove the main board. So over here, this wire is clamped, so just push this back. This cord just removes. This one pulls out. Same here. This one, just go ahead and disconnect all the wiring. There we go. There is 3 screws that we need to remove. If you are replacing parts on your printer, make sure you take pictures as you go so you know where to put everything back. You can also use this video for reference, but it's best to just take pictures as you remove parts. So this is the main board on this printer, MG2120. This is the motor that pushes the carrier back and forth. This is the door for the access to paper jammed or something like that. That's also removable. That will release the back cover. So removing the 2 screws on right and left, we can remove this piece over here, and that will give us access to the main paper pickup rollers. This is these right here. So the ones on the bottom right here, those are the ones that will feed your paper into the printer. So this is as far as we'll go. Hopefully this is enough for you to maintain your printer or clean it up or replace parts in here. I really hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.